guys, welcome back. So getting into more red versus blue, and as you can see, I've dropped the green screen again. I have some feedback from a lot of you guys who kind of preferred this look, so I thought I'd give a few more reactions in this format. I do kind of like it, and it does feel a little bit less like I need to perform, because I'm just sitting in front of the camera, just willy-nilly doing a reaction to red versus blue. I like it. It's much more relaxed. I don't have to work as hard. Like, you gotta work hard watching red versus blue anyway. So we're watching episode 8 and 9 of the Garbosik season 13, and I've also got a PSA in here for the Sound of Stupid. I put these together months ago, so I'm like, okay, I got a surprise. So bonus. So without further ado, let's just dive into the episode. Don't forget to check out all my links down below, my socials, Discord, TikTok. I do a TikTok. You know why I do a TikTok? I wasn't gonna do a TikTok, but I'm doing a TikTok because it helps grow the channel, and I put sneak preview stuff on there as well, like in little 15-second to 30-second to 3-minute formats. So I just got that out there just to kind of like tease the audience. So and it's cool. Like you can go into like a bit of a rabbit hole with TikTok where you're just kind of scrolling. I've got a lot of horror TikTok on there apparently. I'm just freaky. I can't go to sleep at night. I'm scared. Anyway, let's just watch the show. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I also do Twitter. I like to be active on Twitter. It's where I have my rants. And my Facebook, which I'm really kind of sick of. Facebook's so boring lately, don't you think? I'm over Facebook, but everything else is still okay. Instagram, yep, fine. Patreon, most of you are on there.
The ability to fly north, and only north, is just going to lead to more problems than it solves.
Thank you. Whatever. This road trip sucks.
Nonsense. Road trips are an inherent part of the Red Team experience. Enjoy
Road
the
trip.
exotic sights and sounds of this beautiful, albeit war-torn, land.
It's a gas station that
Huh?
we've been to before. Seriously, there's like 3 places to go on the whole planet. All right, almost time to hit the road again.
Let's
Anyone
go.
From the away team? They found some sort of giant alien temple shooting pure energy into the sky.
Yes,
What'd I tell you?
and weird things happen there.
Problems. You know, I think it's really admirable that you all chose to stay and fight for the people of Chorus.
Oh, thanks, Wash.
When I first met you all, I honestly never thought you'd amount to anything, but you've really proven me wrong. Cool.
That's nice of him to say.
Dude. Sure, you may not be the most conventional group of soldiers, but no matter the challenge, you always manage to find a way to come out on top. And that's something really special.
What's going on with you?
Me? Nothing.
They're all about to die.
Nothing really weird. I just want you all to
Why
know
being
how
nice?
much I appreciate you.
Stop with the compliments. You're freaking us
We're
out.
gonna fucking die. No, I don't.
That's right.
No, you do. You definitely do. You're getting all sentimental and shit. No.
Stop it.
Guys, come on. You'll be fine. I've got total faith in you.
Oh,
You're
no.
the best soldiers I ever knew.
What the fuck?
Suicide mission.
Bullshit. Look, I just want you to know I'm proud of you. I'm sure if you stick together, you'll be okay.
Oh,
What
God.
unit are you in?
Volunteered for the front lines.
Oh. You what, Sarge? Well, look on the bright side. You know, if you say that, you're supposed to follow it.
There's
up
no
with
bright
the
side.
I know. A true warrior?
A physical
Oh.
strength and mental clarity.
Well, then it's a good thing I'm here.
That's cute.
What? Obviously, I'm a true warrior. Plus, I've got the sword. That means I'm the chosen one. Finding a sword in a hole doesn't automatically make you an unstoppable badass. Oh, why don't you tell that to the last alien?
It
that
helps.
lit up?
Tucker has a point. It's possible that merely carrying the sword through the portal would override the need to be strong and intelligent.
Yeah! Wait, I'm strong and intelligent. Yeah, you have your moment. Well, we're low on time, and it's the best lead we've got.
Fine. Just be careful.
Be
Nothing
careful.
to worry about, baby.
Oh,
I am a true motherfucking warrior. Hi-ya!
oh, no.
What happened? Wow.
Apparently, you are not a true warrior.
That was quick.
Or maybe he's so good, he passed the test super fast.
What did you see? Tell me about the other side. Did you make contact? Oh, and how are you feeling?
I saw Felix.
The mercenaries were already there?
Well, I don't think it was really him. He showed up, then another Felix showed up. And next thing I know, there were a million fucking assholes all over me. Same thing with Locust. I couldn't fight them off.
You weren't strong enough.
Well, I am.
And I've been waiting for a rematch.
Ooh.
Epsilon,
In
you
she
see?
goes.
Epsilon.
But you see different things.
Are you?
Fuck.
I'm your true warrior.
Actually, that would be me.
Tex?
Hey there, Carolina.
What? Oh shit.
Said
They're all here.
want to talk about it. Carolina, all I saw when I went through was static. You gotta tell us more. You saw the freelancers, then what happened? There was some crazy karate? Big gunfight?
No.
Yeah. No.
There was no fighting. They just... Look, it doesn't matter.
See? Not as easy as it looks, huh?
I will throw your ass right back through that portal if you don't.
Okay, happy thought. Happy thought.
Man, whatever.
We can't give up hope. The government spent ample time studying these relics, and we've only been here a few hours.
Did they make any progress?
Actually, they got fed up and abandoned all of their work.
Fuck
Great.
you.
Super inspiring. I just wish the inscriptions weren't so vague. True warrior? Mental clarity? Wait, what does that even mean?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the opposite of false warrior.
Caboose, not now.
Yeah, I'm just saying we can at least cross that off the list, you know.
Caboose.
The false warrior, that is.
Caboose!
Well, excuse me for going to help. I am gonna go find the bathroom.
Jesus.
Okay.
Headed little... Wait a minute.
Don't be mean.
Empty-headed.
Oh.
No way.
Okay.
Hey, this isn't the bathroom. I'm Caboose.
You are not like the others.
Yeah, I'm blue.
Your mind lacks fear. Doubt is non-existent. Completely absent of negativity.
He's so simple.
I'm sorry, what, you were saying something?
And your strength.
You know, I have been told that I am an excellent listener.
I've increased the gravity tenfold since you've arrived.
What's a tenfold?
Haven't noticed?
What a tenfold is? Yeah, no, I don't know you. You're the one who brought it up.
Then it seems that you are a true warrior.
Oh shit. The fuck? What?
And we're back!
Caboose, are you okay?
What happened?
Yeah, I went to the bathroom and then I met an alien and we became friends and he told me everything about the universe and the meaning of life and then...
Wait, an alien?
Greetings.
Wow, Jesus!
Christ.
My apologies, but is there anyone else I could speak to? Perhaps someone with a broader vocabulary?
What are you?
What the hell?
Correct.
Oh.
A construct left behind by my creators to ensure that their gifts are passed on only to those who are worthy.
Okay.
And that is why I have named him... Santa.
What?
Santa.
Santa.
Santa?
Yes, Santa.
Santa.
Santa. The alien AI construct.
It is an honor to meet you, noble warriors.
Santa. Did Caboose go to the toilet in there? I think he might have. He's the true warrior. Frickin' hell. Empty-headed.
Greetings, fellow web surfer.
Perfect.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel before you go. It'll be just like we're friends. Not that I need friends.
This mug is so big it covers my face.
Go.
Hard to see the screen. Okay, so Santa? He named him Santa. Oh, the sound of stupid. Here we go for the PSA.
Hi, I'm Captain Dexter Griff from the popular web series Red vs. Blue. And I'm Tucker from the same show. We're here today to talk to you about autonomous sensory meridian response. And while I normally like a good mouthful, it's commonly referred to as ASMR for short. ASMR refers to the pleasurable sensation that some people get when they hear certain sounds, like hair being cut, or role players speaking in hushed tones. Oh, yeah. These sensations have been described as tingling, spine chilling,
Tingles.
fantastic. All right, look, I told you, it's not a sex thing. Role players? Cutting hair? I'm aroused already. Cutting hair? Look, man, we all have our things. Yeah, well, keep your things to yourself. This is exactly why I brought Caboose here today. Say hi, Caboose.
If we are role-playing, I want to be a dragon.
We're gonna try to get Caboose to experience ASMR and see what happens.
Oh, okay.
Dudes, count me out. It's not a sex thing. Caboose, go ahead and take off your helmet now.
Sure thing.
We do not ignore. We are many. We will no longer tolerate the oppression of, you oppressors.
The fuck? Simmons, what are you doing?
The exploitation by you jerks in the corporate techno-military sim trooper complex must come to an end.
Simmons?
We are not Simmons.
Caboose's gone.
Unidentified. We are hacktivists fighting for a better world, and there are lots of us.
Anonymous.
I only see one of you.
The unidentified.
Lots and lots.
So what, you're some kind of anti-establishment tech warriors?
Correct.
You do realize Warner Brothers makes $5 every time you buy one of those masks, right?
Look, dude, we're kind of in the middle of something, so if you'd kindly fuck off.
No! Too long have you preyed upon the innocent. Too long have you mocked the superior intelligence of the one called Simmons. Now you will rue the day.
If you're so superior, then how is it that we can still keep fucking with you?
Shut up! The time of revenge is at hand. Suck my wrath, bitches. Let's see how you like this. Ha-ha! I'm in. I've hacked your network.
Dude, aren't you the one who set up our network?
Yeah, remember? We didn't let him eat until Netflix worked.
It's for the public good. Your nefariousness must be exposed. Now the world will know the extent of your plans to... Oh, come on. There's gotta be some kind of conspiracy. I don't know, some files or something? A hidden directory?
Nice work there, Snowden.
Damn it! There's nothing here!
Looks like we win, Neckbeard.
Oh, you'd like that.
Neckbeard.
But let's see how you feel once your privacy is violated. Prepare yourselves for intergalactic embarrassment.
An email?
That's right! Your lives are in tatters. Your precious secrets scattered to the cyber winds. Information wants to be free!
Did you just forward us our own emails?
What is that disgusting aroma? Do you smell it? It smells like the airing of dirty laundry! Ha 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 ha!
This is so corny.
A slash fit collection?
Yeah.
About yourself?
Of course. Dude, these people have me doing shit I couldn't even dream of. It's awesome.
Dude, that's just... Wait, what? What, are these Simmons? Are these pictures of my sister?
And saved. You know, for later.
Oh my god.
To give back to her.
Hey!
To give back to
just
her.
got an email with a screenplay titled Sarge Movie Sequel?
Wait, what?
Yeah, wait, what? I saw that.
It's not ready yet.
Simmons, did you just leak your own stuff?
Even when he succeeds, he still fails.
Oh, are we leaking stuff?
I love leaking stuff.
Oh my god.
Donut, you're not supposed to leak your own photos.
What? That's not fair. How come Simmons gets to? Because he's an idiot? Fine. But if you like what you saw, you definitely should not try to figure out my iCloud password.
Oh god,
It's the
Jesus.
word password 5 times. Longer passwords are more secure.
All you've done so far is fuck up our PSA and force me to see Donut naked. Again.
And I can't believe I had to see my sister naked. Again.
Oh yeah, I guess there was a silver lining.
Why do you have to ruin everything?
Oh yeah? Well, let's see how much of a silver lining there is when I DDoS all of your favorite online games.
Now you've gone too far.
Dude, this is pathetic. You've done nothing you wanted to. You're just being a dick at this point.
It's like you're mad that everyone else isn't as miserable as you. So instead of taking a good hard look at your own life and trying to fix that, you just try to bring everybody else down.
Simmons?
He's crying.
Are you crying?
Yeah.
Do you want a hug?
Yes.
Oh, you're just in the base right now, aren't you?
No, I'm in my lair. It just happens to be in the base.
I'm in my lair.
Come on.
Thanks, guys. You know, I'm really sorry. I think I was just harboring a lot of pent-up aggression. You know, if you want, I could put the servers back on so we can play some games together. What do you
Take
think?
that, you fucking nerd!
Oh.
No!
If you ever touch my internet again, I will.
It's like high school again.
Take
It's
that.
like,
My man!
it's like high school again.
Yeah, so, do I have ASMR or are we not?
Oh no. That was weird. It was good, but it was weird. Right? Poor Simmons. He had a bad day. And got beat up as well. Okay, next. Season 13, episode number 9. I think this one might be a long one.
General Kimball, we just got word from the U18.
What's the news?
Well, apparently they found Santa.
What?
ahead with the assault. They
crikey.
should be reaching Alpha any minute.
Then we gotta hurry.
I'm sure there is no end to your questions.
You have no idea.
Alright, let's not start foaming at the mouth here.
I can film wherever I want. Thank you very much.
The legacy of my creators is scattered throughout the galaxy. Their history, their technology, all left behind for future species to discover. This planet, the one you've claimed as Chorus, was one of great importance. It is here that they kept some of their most valued treasures.
What kind of treasures we talking about? Like Indiana Jones' Golden Idol treasures?
Oh,
or
yeah.
Stupid metaphorical stuff like the real treasure was friendship the whole time.
My creators bequeathed many gifts, and you will find each locked away within a temple. Lavernius Tucker, you trigger the Temple of Arms. With its power, you reactivated combat vehicles, weaponry, and a myriad of other technological marvels from the time long past. These are merely a fraction of the gifts left behind by my creator.
That's amazing!
So then why'd you turn it off?
I encountered an anomaly. The temples on this planet can only be activated with a key wielded by a true warrior.
Right.
However, some time ago, one of my temples was meddled with.
I wonder who that could have been.
Who's
Probably
meddling?
Pirates.
I was
Yeah.
being facetious.
Dude,
Oh.
making up words is not gonna help you sound smarter.
Focus!
The temple was designed to create a defensive barrier around the planet by manipulating gravity. The meddlers managed to circumvent my security measures and partially activate the temple, giving them moderate control over the planet's gravitational field.
Oh, that's why I can float.
Are involved, Santa. He's talking about the tractor beams.
This act should have been impossible without the Great Key. Which brings me to you.
Me?
I sensed your key's power at the Temple of Arms and allowed you to activate it. But when you did not respond in the voice of my people, Protocol insisted I bring you here for further testing.
Sorry, dude. Only language I speak is American.
Weren't you an alien ambassador?
I never said I was a good ambassador.
But why test this if Tucker already had the sword? Or key?
Because my records state that the Great Key of this planet has yet to be claimed.
Wait,
Okay.
there's another key?
Of course, in case you lock one in your car. My God, they have one of everything.
It lies in a mountain temple to the east. After the security failure, I had to be sure that the presence of two keys was not an error in my programming. It is now clear to me that although your key comes from another world, it was in fact forged by my creators, and is therefore acceptable.
Sweet, then that means we can go back to our tower and turn it on.
Alien weaponry for everyone!
And you said that was only a fraction of the stuff that's here, right?
Correct.
Well, not to sound greedy, but,
What else you got?
yeah.
There is the Temple of Weather Manipulation, Bountiful Harvest, Interior Decorating, Procreation, Communication.
Wait, what was that last one?
Communication. Activating
Hold
this
on.
temple will allow you to send a message to virtually any communication device in the galaxy.
And what was the one before that?
Yeah.
Procreation.
What?
Activating this temple will throw the inhabitants of Chorus into a ravenous sexual frenzy with the intent to increase a potentially dwindling population.
We won't be needing that one.
Well, let's not rule anything out. Yo, alien dude.
Santa.
Worldwide
I refuse
orgy.
to call you that. Look, we actually need to transmit a message to Earth, but there's been a bunch of radio jammers keeping it from getting out. You think this temple thing will be strong enough to break through them?
Without question.
Well, then that's it. We don't need a full-on assault. We don't even need alien weapons. We just gotta activate that temple and call for help.
Then let's radio Kimball and get out of here.
Wait. Before you leave, I must warn you. The gifts left behind by my creators are immensely powerful. If taken by those less worthy, the results could be catastrophic. Which is why my creators constructed the Purge.
That doesn't sound ominous at all.
The
As its
Purge.
bearer, the Great Key will remain bonded to you and you alone until the time of your death. If you believe the inhabitants of this planet are not ready for my creators' gifts, then activating the Purge will cleanse them.
And by cleanse, you mean...
All sentient life on Chorus will be exterminated.
Dude, buzzkill. And where exactly is this thing?
Here, I will also update all previously sent maps with temple locations.
Thanks. Look,
Well, that's
Caroline, I
bad.
gotta... Wait. What do you mean maps?
The maps that were sent to the temples.
All of the temples?
Of course.
Oh, no.
Yep.
Carolina!
Oh, cool.
And that was close.
Kara's here?
They've been here the whole time.
That's right. And now, thanks to you, we've got all the intel we need.
Oh
What are
no.
you talking about?
Cleanse the
As soon as
planet.
your shield falls, open fire. Just leave the freelancer alive from me.
You really think 4 people are enough to stop us?
You're only safe for as long as that shield is up. Then you've got no cover and a failing AI. So yeah, I do.
Oh
What
shit.
is he talking about?
Besides, the rest of our guys are prepping for your friends at Alpha.
What?
I hope
Oh,
you
no.
said something meaningful the last time you saw them,
Ambush.
because you won't be seeing them again.
Bum bum.
Do you hear something?
Oh, here we go.
See? I told you the front line's where the action is!
That's why we didn't want to be here.
Ah, nonsense. This is Colonel Sarge. We've engaged the enemy.
What music is playing?
Copy that, Red Leader. Good work. All squads, remember your sectors. We've got multiple towers to take down and numerous...
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's Independence Day.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh. Oh my god. In trouble now.
That's a trap! Why is it
That's
always
a trap.
They're cutting off our escape!
Where did they get more men?
Come on, Vanessa, give me a little credit. I was your right-hand man for years. You really didn't think I'd see this coming?
You bastard!
Locus, Felix, I got some news that's gonna make your day.
Report.
What if I told you I found a way to kill everyone on Chorus with the turn of a key?
Oh no.
And what if I told you I was heading to that key right now?
I'd say you're gonna need backup.
Take a Pelican. I've got Alpha covered.
But
Right.
doesn't that include them though? Like everyone?
Locus.
What?
Time to leave.
When you kill Kimball, go ahead and do it quick. We were friends after all.
Mayday! Mayday!
Dang.
Vanessa Kimball to Harmonia. We need immediate ground support. Please respond. Over.
What the devil's happening out there?
Doyle,
What the
goddamn it,
devil?
Pick up the fucking radio.
Good lord. Yes, Kimball, what is it?
The whole thing was a setup. Karen's got way more men than we were led to believe. They've got a ship. They ambushed us.
There now. I'm sure everything will be fine.
There now?
It will not be fine. Forget the capital. I need you to round up as many troops as you can and send them our way. No need to keep quiet. Just take the Pelicans and make sure you're out of range of tractor beams.
Yes, of course.
Doyle, wait. Can you hear me?
Agent Carolina?
I know Kimball needs those reinforcements, but we need them first.
I beg
Oh
your
shit.
We're pinned down. I need you to send a squad to the mountains east of our location. Karen's already on their way there, and we have to beat them to it.
Carolina, what are you talking about? Beat them to what?
To a key that's going to end the world.
Yeah, that takes precedence.
Right. You're going to have to run that by me again.
Oh my god. Oh boy. A key that can end the world. Everyone on Chorus will die. So does that mean that everyone who's actually
Hello,
physically on the
everyone.
planet
Now that we have
now
our own
is gonna
YouTube channel,
die?
I've taken the liberty of reorganizing everything for a streamlined viewing experience. Just hit subscribe to put it to use.
You're supposed to convince them to subscribe, not put them to sleep. You loser.
I hate him so much.
Okay, that's very sad. They don't really hate each other. Yeah, so I love that Caboose was the true warrior, right? Because he's just so vacant. He didn't show any fear, so he was picked. So he got in, went to the toilet inside, but we got Santa. He named him Santa. That's just so appropriate. The gift that just keeps on giving, right? So presents for everyone. But the fact that we got this tower that can destroy all life on Earth. So obviously, well, not Earth, on Chorus, but that means that's going to be their ultimate goal right now, right? I mean, shit. There's betrayal, sabotage, ambushes, left and right. Things are going poorly. This is fun. I'm having a good time. All right, so I'm going to dive into the next episodes in a minute. Episodes 10 and 11. The Chorus arc is fun. I'm really loving it. Okay, I'm out. Please do all your thing down below, all your comments and all that kind of stuff. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave a like. And also check out all my links to all my things down below. Done. See you next time. Thanks for watching.